Okay, so my name is Lilia Kirilenko, and I am an ACCA tutor for over a decade. And I would like to talk to you about actually motivating ourselves to study. And yes, there are so many excuses, especially when you go online. You're going to see people complaining that, let's say, they've had a terrible breakup, they had, let's say, been overwhelmed with work, and so on. Yes, and it feels like everyone is suffering. Well, actually, everyone who is writing that is suffering, and it's not necessarily should be you. Because let's face it, if we are talking about taking ACCA and passing ACCA, you do need to study. And if you are going to look at the number of hours that are required, you will see that it varies something like from 100 hours to 200 hours. I will tell you that. So when I talk about the hours and the requirements that are needed, I remember that my times, like long ago, we would have day studies. So we would have to go there morning till evening. And for the majority of the topics of the papers, we would study 5 to 6 days. It was 8 classes, 8 hours each. So it was 48 hours. And of course, not all the time was effective and efficient because you just can't study for that long. This type of study has proven to be ineffective. That's why tutors have these short videos. But still, the problem is that you need that time to cover the theory, not even the full theory, but like the main extracts of it. And then you have to practice each and every chapter that you have covered. And because when you are going to do that alone, that's going to be less efficient because sometimes you will stumble upon a question and you will have to spend time trying to decipher what to do and how to tackle it. So, what does it mean? Well, first of all, you need to accept the truth. So, let's put it like that, accept the truth. So, what would be the truth? What the truth would be? Well, the truth would be that ACCA is supposed to be hard. I will tell you that I sometimes get clients for individual work, and the clients come with from universities, and they want me to help them to get ready for the university exam on financial management, performance management, anything like it. And the university syllabus is like a kindergarten syllabus compared to ACCA. They would have something like 50, 60 PDF slides. That is nothing compared to the complexity of the papers that you guys have, right? So ACCA is much harder than the university. ACCA is more about MBA level stuff, and it is supposed to be hard, and not everybody is supposed to pass ACCA, and that is the challenge that you chose to have. Even more, ACCA should be hard. I mean, why would you try and spend your time and money achieving something that every fool can achieve? What would be the value? What would help you to stand out compared to your peers? Well, I don't know. So I am actually happy that ACCA is hard. Also, earlier is better than later. I can see many posts on LinkedIn from younger people saying that they are missing out, the cost of missing out, social life, and so on. Well, I have been young and I do know how it feels, right? But the problem is that actually, the older you get, the harder it is. Because your brain does not work like that anymore. It takes you more time to study, even if you have been studying for the entirety of your life. On top of that, you are going to have work commitments that are going to be harder than whatever you have at entry-level job. You also are going to get families, most likely, and maybe even kids. And it's going to be even harder to balance everything. and your sleep requirement is going to be much, much more extensive. Like, who can relate? When you are young, you can study all night and then go to the university and pass the exam with, let's say, 3 hours sleep or no sleep at all. But if you get, let's say, 25 plus, if you haven't slept properly the previous night, then the next day you're just useless at work. Has it ever happened to you? You can put pluses or minuses in the chart that I will be able to see and, just assess where I'm standing at. I'm going to enable the chat. So how does it happen to you already that you need proper sleep? Put pluses or minuses for yes and no, respectively. So, yes, earlier is better than later. And however hard it might be today, it's going to be even harder in a year. So the sooner you are going to pass the ACCA papers, the better it's going to be, the less time it's going to take and less mental effort.